xyz 8 equals to, the answer should be 2 somewhere. So remember the cubes, 10 cube, 11 cube, 12 cube. So 12 cube is 1728. So the answer is true because the units place is 2. Also, if you don't remember this, then also there is one method. Last digit is 8. Check the cube of 2 is 8. So always check with the simplest numbers first. 2 cube is 8. So this answer is true because if the number is 8 at the end of any cube, then the cube root will definitely have 2 at the units place, right? The smallest number by which 3600 be divided to make it a perfect cube is 450. Let's try 3600 upon 450. So it becomes 360 upon 45. So try this. 15 3s are 15 24s are 3 1s are 3 8s are. So 8 upon 1. So that is 8 basically. So is 8 a perfect cube? Yes. So the answer is true. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.